Welcome to this lesson on Subnets Hands On. Let us first review the subnets included in our default VPC. In the AWS console, search for VPC. Click on your VPCs. Here, we can see the details of the default VPC provided in the account. Now, click on Subnets. Check on any of the subnets to view their details. We will talk about route tables in the next lesson, but for now, please click on the Route Table tab to view details on the route table attached to this subnet. Take note of the destination 0.0.0/0 with a target starting with IGW or Internet Gateway. More on that later. Now, to create a subnet, click on Create Subnet. Select the VPC within which to create it, in our case, the default VPC. Type out a name for your subnet, for example, Test Subnet. Depending on your region, select an availability zone for the subnet. Next, choose an IPv4 subnet CIDR block. Note that you may get an error if you type an invalid CIDR block or provide one which overlaps with another already existing subnet. For example, in my case, 172.31.0.0/20 would not work. I will choose 172.31.100.32/28. Please review the lesson attachment for more information on picking a correct subnet CIDR block if you encounter any such errors. Assuming it all went well, click on Create Subnet. The subnet is now created and available. To delete a subnet, select and choose Delete Subnet. Type Delete to confirm and click the Delete button. That concludes our exploration of subnets. Thank you for watching and join me in the next lesson where we check out route tables.